Today we will learn Chinese characters.
左
Next, watch how I pronounce it.
左 z u 我左左左边左边铅笔在你的左边，铅笔在你的左边，左手，左手，你用左手写字吗？你用左手写字吗？左侧，左侧，电脑在房间左侧。电脑在房间左侧。
Now let's see how to write this character. The original meaning of this character refers to the left hand and the left side. In the official positions of ancient China, the left was mostly regarded as honorable in early times. For example, there were two prime ministers assisting the emperor, and the left prime minister held a slightly higher status than the right prime minister. This character has a stable and balanced center of gravity. Do not make the bottom right part too large. The key is this stroke. Make it long with a slight arc. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.